Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the GPU model and current driver version. This avoids installing the wrong package. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and note the exact name and driver date. Once done, create a system restore point so you can revert if needed. This is quick insurance. Then, download the driver labeled for your OS and architecture, making sure it matches Windows 10 versus Windows 11, 64-bit. You're now ready to close background apps and prepare for installation. You run the downloaded installer with administrator privileges to ensure it can write system files. Choose the custom or clean install option if available. That removes old files and prevents conflicts. Follow prompts slowly and decline optional software you don't need because extra utilities can cause issues. During installation, your screen may flicker. This is expected. Once the installer reports success, make sure to reboot immediately to allow the new driver to initialize fully and apply system-wide settings. You verify success by checking Device Manager and the GPU control panel for the new version and expected settings. Then test with a typical workload, a game or benchmark, and watch for crashes, artifacts, or high temperatures. If performance is stable, you're done. If something goes wrong, first try rolling back the driver in Device Manager. If rollback fails, use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode to remove remnants, then reinstall the correct driver. That usually resolves persistent conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.